Good morning. What we're going to do in this first little video is remember, because we've already learned this, how to find the slope and the y-intercept from an equation. So I have some equations here. So the first one, we're going to find our slope and our y-intercept. So remember, the slope is the coefficient of the x. So the coefficient of x is 3. The y-intercept is the starting point where we start. So it is negative 4. So the next one, our slope is our coefficient of x. So it is negative 2. And our y-intercept is our starting point, which is 1. Our next equation, our slope is a fraction this time, so be careful when they're fractions. The coefficient of x is 1/2, so you would put 1/2, and your y-intercept is negative 3. Next one I made a little bit tricky. Hopefully you see what happened here. So this one, our slope, is still the coefficient of x, but I switched its order. So my slope is going to be 2. My y-intercept, where I started, is going to be 30. Excuse me. The last one is really special. So for this one, our slope, there isn't one. Our slope is 0. It's a horizontal line. This line means that it's going to be horizontal because there's no x value. There's no x term. My y-intercept is going to be what y is. Y equals 4, so my y-intercept is 4. So what you need to do now is you've watched the video. Now you're going to go through and answer the questions.